Welcome to Cooking with Sharda. Our today's recipe is churma, and churma is very popular in Rajasthan. So to make this, we are going to be needing 2 cups of wheat flour, half cup of besan or gram flour, 1/4 cup of semolina or suji, half cup of malai or heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of ghee, and if you don't want to use malai, you can go for 2 tablespoons of ghee, pinch of turmeric, some cardamom, 1.5 cup of sugar. This is basically tagar, which is available in the market. If you don't get this, you can also use powdered sugar, and you can use this more or less according to your taste, and milk, and lastly some ghee for frying. Okay, so we'll start preparing our churma. For that, we are going to take wheat flour. In that, we are going to add besan, then suji. Then we are going to just mix our dry ingredients. Now we will be adding turmeric powder, malai, ghee, and then we are going to mix everything well. So we have mixed and combined everything well. Okay, so now we are going to put some milk, and then again mix everything. Add a little bit of milk at a time, then if needed you can add more until you get a nice dough consistency. Okay, so our dough is ready, so we are going to just grease it with some ghee. This is the consistency of the dough we need, not too hard, not too soft. Okay, so now in a deep pan we are going to heat the ghee. Okay, so now we're going to give a shape. For that we are going to take some of the dough, about a small amount of dough. Then we are going to roll it like that, and then press it with your fingers and you get this shape. Or another shape is take the same amount of dough, a small amount of dough, then make it in a flat round, then press it with the help of your thumb in between, and there you go, you got 2 shapes. And this shape is called muthia, and basically it is pressed and the hole is made in between so that it gets baked properly. Okay, so we have kept our ghee to get heat, and we are going to heat it on medium flame. It should not be too hot. So now we are going to put our muthias into the ghee, and make sure that you don't touch your spoon for a while until it gets light brown. Okay, so now it has got golden brown. Now we are going to cook it more for about a minute or so. Make sure to cook it on the low flame so that it gets baked properly and cooked properly from inside. Okay, so these are done. Okay, so now with the help of a bowl, or you can also use your hands, you're going to just break them so that it gets cooled down, and as they are soft they'll break easily. Okay, so it has got slightly cooled down, and now we are going to grind it. Okay, so we have grinded it, and you can see it need not to be completely fine powder, but it needs to be a little bit on the grainy side. Okay, so now we are going to add cardamom powder and then sugar. And now we are going to combine everything well. Okay, so now lastly we are going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee and then mix everything well. Okay, so our churma is ready, and you can serve it with bati, dal bati. And if you want the recipe for the bati, we have it in our channel, that is Sharda Cook, or I'll link the bati video in the description box down below, so you can check there out. And it has got a very nice color, a nice light yellow color, because of the turmeric powder we have added. So enjoy it. It tastes nice and sweet, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.